Online class for kids.
Hello there. Welcome to another exciting episode here at Online Class for Kids. Oh look! Shooting stars. Legends say that wishing on a shooting star will make your wishes come true. But did you know that most of those shooting stars aren't stars? They are actually what you call meteors. Although a lot of meteors enter the atmosphere every day, it's still pretty rare to witness one. But there is an even rarer one. Meet the comet. Unlike asteroids and meteoroids, which are made up of rocky and metallic metals, comets are made up of dust, rocks, ice, and frozen gases. Comets are believed to be remnants of the formation of our solar system. Comets live most of their lives away from the reaches of the sun. They can be found in two places, the Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud. Comets have elliptical orbits, so while they spend most of their time outside the reaches of the sun, they will still come near the sun one way or another. This process can take anywhere from hundreds to thousands of years. When comets come closer to the sun, their surface warming causes their materials to melt and vaporize, producing the characteristic tail of a comet. Comets have three main parts: the nucleus, coma, and tail. The most famous comet is Halley's Comet. It returns to Earth's vicinity every 75 years. It appeared last time in 1986, so you can see it again in 2061. Now that we have learned about comets, let's review. What are the three parts of a comet? Nucleus, coma, and tail. Very good. What is the most famous comet? Halley's Comet. Excellent. Give one location where we can find comets. Kuiper Belt and Oort cloud. Fantastic! I hope you had a wonderful time learning about comets. See you next time for another fun-filled learning only here at Online Class for Kids. Visit onlineclassforkids.com for more fun learning videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.